Hello children, welcome to the mathematics period. Children, in the last session we have started a new chapter, chapter number 9, patterns. And today we are continuing with the same chapter, patterns, part 2. Children, what do we mean by pattern? Pattern is to repeat what has come before. Pattern is to repeat what has come before. In the last session, we have completed the concept and the textbook writing till page number 126, question number 6. Today we are going to see the further questions. So, get your mathematics textbook, pencil, eraser and few crayons. Let us start with how much do you know? What is the first question? Yes, complete the pattern. Children, look here. What do we see in the first example? Ice cream cone, candy, ice cream cone, candy and ice cream cone. And then few blank spaces are there which we have to fill with the correct pattern. What pattern do we see here? Here, ice cream cone and candy is repeating one after other. So, after ice cream, what will come? Yes, candy. Then next, ice cream cone, candy and ice cream cone. Correct. Now, let us see the example B. Here what pattern do we see? Flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower. So what will come next? Yes, leaf, then flower, then leaf and then flower. Correct. Now let us see example C. Here we see few smileys. But look at their expressions. First smiley is a happy smiley. Second is a sad smiley. Third, again happy, then sad, then happy. Now which smiley will come next? Yes, the sad smiley. Then again happy, then sad, and then last again happy smiley. Yes. This is the pattern we follow in this example. You all have to draw these pictures in the blanks given in your textbook. Yes. Now let us see in the next page. What do we see in the example D? Yes, apple, ball, and apple. Again, here apple and ball is coming one after other. So what will come next? Yes, ball. Then apple, ball and apple again. So complete this by drawing these pictures in your textbook. Let us see example E. Here we see a pattern, tree, flag, tree, flag. What will come next? Yes, a tree, then a flag, a tree and a flag. Yes, you have to complete this in your textbook with this pattern. Let us see the next example. Yes. Let's read the question number 2. Circle the object that comes next. Now here also we have to find out the pattern and we have to circle the correct object from the given box. Let us see example E. What do we see here? Here we see the pattern of toffee, chocolate, toffee, chocolate, and what will come next? Yes, a toffee. So circle the toffee from the given box. Now next example. Here we see shoes. A brown shoe, blue shoe. A brown shoe, a blue shoe. Now after blue shoe, what will come next by looking at the pattern? Yes children, brown shoe. So from the given box, we have to circle the brown shoe. Yes. Next example, see. Look here, we see a bangle, hairband, bangle, hairband. And what will come next? A bangle, a football or a hairband? Yes, correct children. As per the pattern, after hairband, a bangle will come. So we will circle bangle in the given box. Example D, a ball, an eraser, ball, and eraser. What will come next? Yes, a ball. Correct. Now let us see the next question. Yes. It is on page number 127. Question number 3. Fill in the missing numbers. Find the difference between the first two numbers to know the pattern rule. Children, we have seen and learned then there is a pattern in numbers also, and we have learned the pattern rules. So based on that, let us solve this example. Example A, first two numbers given are 13 and 15. Children, here when we add 2 in number 13, we get number 15. See, after 13, if we count further, 14, 15. See, the difference is 2. Hence, here the pattern rule is add 2. So, what will be the next number after 15 in the given box? For that, we have to add 2 in number 15. So, count up to two numbers after 15, that is 16, 17. So, the next number will be 17. Yes. The next number is given, that is 19. What will be the next number after 19? For that, we have to add 2 in number 19. So, 20, 21. Yes. Then 21 plus 2 will be 23. 23 plus 2 will be 25. Yes. Like this, we have to complete these examples. Let us see example B. First two numbers are 50 and 45. What is the difference between these two numbers? Yes, 5. When we subtract 5 from number 50, the answer is 45. Hence, here the pattern rule is subtract 5. So, we have to apply it in this example. So, after 45, which number will come? For that, we have to subtract 5 from 45. So, 45 minus 5 equals to 40. 40 minus 5 is 35. It is already given. 35 minus 5 is 30. 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus 5, 20. Yes. So here we have filled the missing numbers with the rule subtract 5. Let us see the next examples. Example C. First two numbers are 63, 66. Children, Here the pattern rule is add 3. See, when we add 3 in number 63, we get number 66, that is 64, 65, 66. So we have to apply pattern rule, add 3 in this. So let us find out the next number. 66 plus 3, 69. 69 plus 3, 72. 72 plus 3, 75 is already given. 75 plus 3, 78. 78 plus 3, 81. Yes. Next, D. Here, first two numbers are 40 and 36. Here, the pattern rule is subtract 4. See, when we subtract 4 from 40, we get number 36. So, we have to apply this in this example. So, what will be the number after 36? 36 minus 4, that is 32. 32 minus 4, 28 is already given. 28 minus 4, 24. 24 minus 4, 20. And 20 minus 4, 16. Yes. Let us see next example. E. 15, 20. Here the pattern rule is add 5. So what will be the next numbers? 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Yes. Now next example. 20 and 22 are the first two numbers. And the rule here is add 2. Hence, the next numbers will be 24, 26, 28, 30 is given. The last number will be 32. Yes. This way we have to complete this example. Let us see the next question now. Yes. Little genius. Children, in this example, let us see what we have to do. See, starting from 3, jump every 3 boxes and color them red to get a beautiful pattern. Children, in your textbook, you see the numbers given from 1 to 100 and number 3 is already colored with the red color. Now what we have to do here? Here we have to jump 3 numbers after number 3 and color that number as red. And we have to continue this till number 100 by jumping 3 boxes and coloring it with the red color. So, after number 3, if we jump 3 boxes, which number will get? Yes, 4, 5, 6. So, let us color number 6. Then, we have to go on jumping 3 boxes and coloring the number. So, the numbers will be 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. After 48, number 51 will come. Then 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99 is the last number which is already colored red. See children, what a beautiful pattern we get after coloring these boxes. You also have to color these boxes nicely in your textbook. Yes, let us see next questions. Some NCERT textbook questions. Question number 1. What comes next in this sequence? Let us see the pictures given below. Circle, sun, circle, sun. What will come next? Yes, circle, then sun, and then circle. You have to draw this in your textbook. Next question. Yes, flower, leaf, flower, leaf. What will be the next? Yes, flower, leaf and flower. Now look at the next pattern. Here again smileys are given. First is a smiley which is surprised. Then next is a happy smiley. Next surprised. Next happy. Then which one will come? Yes, surprise expression. Then happy expression and then again surprise expression. Yes. Let us move ahead. Question number 2. Study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Now look at the first picture. There are some numbers given in it. What are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, then dash, dash and 13. Children, if we look at the pattern of the numbers in this, we see the pattern rule is applied is add 2. Right? So after 7, which number will come? 7 plus 2, 9. Correct. Then next number will be 9 plus 2, 11. Correct. And number 13 is already given. Yes. Now next example. There are few balloons and numbers are written in it. First two numbers are 5 and 10. Here, what pattern rule do we see? Yes, add 5. Hence, the next number will be 15. Then 20, 25 is already given. After that, which number will come? Yes, 25 plus 5, 30 will come. Yes. Now, next, flowers are given. Let us see the pattern rule in the numbers given. 2, 5, 8, 11. What pattern rule we see here? Yes, add 3. Hence, if we add 3 in number 11, which number we get? 11 plus 3, 14. Then number 17 is given. Then 17 plus 3 is 20. You have to complete this by writing numbers. Next. Children, this activity is a homework for you. Yes. Now children, here we complete our chapter number 9. Now, move to the next page. Let's review 2. Children, in this, we are going to revise lesson number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these lessons, examples we have to solve in Let's Review. We have to do the revision. All these lessons we have already learned. So let us start and do one by one. Question number 1. Write the positions in the boxes. Look at the picture and let us fill in the boxes. In the first picture we see few apples and an orange. Let's read. The apples are dash the tray. What will be the answer? Yes, inside the tray. The orange is dash the tray. What is the position of orange, children? Yes, outside the tray. Correct. So write down these words, these positions in the given boxes. Next example, look at the picture and let us solve this. The boy is dash the tree. The boy is near the tree. The girl is dash from the tree. What is the position of girl, children? Yes, far. The girl is far from the tree. Let us see the next example now. Number 2. Color each shape with a different color. Count and write the number. Look here, in the given picture there are different shapes we see. We have to color each shape with different color. We have to count it and write it in the boxes given in the right side. Let us take first shape, triangle. Let us color it with blue color. You can color it with any color, children. So how many triangles we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write number 5. 5 triangles in the given box. Next, circles. Let us color circles and count how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. Next shape is rectangle. Let us color and count. 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles. Understood, children? Okay, let us see the next example. Yes, again we see here patterns. Question number 3. Complete the pattern. In the first example, it is given triangle, square, triangle. So what will be the next? Yes, square, triangle, square, triangle. Next example B, circle, rectangle, triangle. If this is a pattern, what will repeat after triangle, children? Yes, circle, rectangle, triangle, and again the circle. Now let us see example C. Flower, cone, flower. What will come next? Yes, cone, flower, cone, flower. You have to draw this in your book. Next, write number names for the following numbers. We have learned to write number names. First number is 15. So write number name F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. B 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Example C 57. F-I-F-T-Y 50. S-E-V-E-N 7. Next 83. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. T-H-R-E-E 3. Let us see the next question. Yes. Fill in the boxes. A. Number 18 equals to dash 10 plus dash ones. Number 18 equals to 110 plus 8 ones. Next, dash equals to 9 tens plus 6 ones. Which number we get with 9 tens plus 6 ones, children? Yes, 96. Write down this in your textbook. In this question, example C and D you have to solve as homework. Next, question number 6. Put the correct sign more than, less than or equal to in the boxes. Example A, 12 and 23. Which sign will come here, children? Yes, 12 is less than 23. So less than sign we have to put. Next, 16, 11. Which sign will come? Yes, more than sign. And the C, 29, 29. Which sign will come? Yes, equal to sign. Here also D, E and F you have to solve as homework. Next question number 7. Write the numbers that comes before, after or in between. First, 49 dash. 49, which number will come after 49? Yes, 50. Next, dash 70. Which is the number before 70? Yes, 69. Next, 59 dash 61. The answer is 60. Yes. Next, in question 7 also, remaining examples you have to solve as homework. Let us see question number 8. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. The numbers given are 23, 47, 38, 28. In decreasing order, children, we arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number. So we have to arrange the numbers as 47, 38, 28, 23. Next example, 65, 72, 81, 77. So decreasing order will be 81, 77, 72 and 65. Next, arrange the numbers in increasing order. In increasing order, we arrange numbers from smallest to biggest. So, in the first example, numbers are 19, 56, 83, 27. We will arrange it in increasing order as 19, 27, 56, 83. Next example, 31, 43, 32, 47. We will arrange it in increasing order as 31, 32, 43 and 47. Yes. Question number 10. Add or subtract. Question number, example A. The example given is 23 plus 5. Yes, children, in addition with vertical method, we first add numbers in ones place. So add number 3 and number 5. We get number 8. And then the number at tens place we have to write as it is. So number 2 will come here. And the answer is 28. Now let us see example B. 46 plus 28. Again, let us add numbers at ones place. That is 6 plus 8. Children, 6 plus 8 equals to 14. But 14 is a 2-digit number. So what will we do? Yes, we will write number 4 at ones place and we will carry over number 1 at tens place. Now we will add all the 3 numbers at tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 7. So 74 is the answer. Let us see the next examples. The example E, 84 minus 32. Here we have to do the subtraction. In subtraction also, first we have to subtract numbers at ones place. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. And now subtracting numbers at tens place is 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So answer is 52. Next, 61 minus 29. Here again we have to subtract numbers at ones place. 1 minus 9. Children, here we see that 9 is bigger than 1. So we cannot subtract it from 1. So then what do? Yes, we borrow 110 from tens place. So we will cut number 1 and we will write number 11 above it. Now we can subtract 9 from 11 and answer will be 10, 11, that is 2. We'll write it below 9. Now as we have borrowed 110 from tens place, that is 6, we have to cut 6 and we have to write 6 minus 1, that is 5 above it. Now we have to subtract number 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 32 is the answer. Let us see the next example. Yes, here it's a word problem. Let us read the word problem. Bob had 57 marbles. His friend gave him 13 more. How many marbles does Bob have now? Here in the boxes we have already written numbers 57 and 13 below it. Now as we have to find out the total marbles, we have to do the addition. So we will put plus sign before number 13. Now let us do the addition of numbers at ones place first. 7 plus 3 equals to 10 and 10 is a 2-digit number. So we will write 0 at ones place below 3 and we will carry over number 1 at tens place. And we will write it above number 5. Now we have to add all 3 numbers at tens place. So 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 7. So our answer is 70. We have to write it in the given blank space, that is 70 marbles. 70 marbles. Yes. Now the next example we will see. Let us read this. There were 32 balloons in a birthday party. A naughty boy burst 17 balloons. How many balloons are left? Here again we have written number 32 and 17 in the boxes. Now as we have to find out the balloons which are left, we have to do the subtraction. So we will put minus sign before number 17. Now let us subtract the numbers at ones place first. 2 minus 7. 7 is bigger than 2. We cannot subtract it from 2. Hence, we will borrow 110 from 3 at tens place. So we will cut number 2 and write number 12 above it. Now we can subtract 7 from 10, 12. So what will be the answer? Yes, number 5. Now as we have borrowed 110 from 3, we have to cut it and write 3 minus 1, that is 2 above it. Now we have to subtract number 1 from number 2. What will be the answer? Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get number 15 as the answer, which we have to write here as 15 balloons. Have you understood this, children? You have to write this in the textbook and the examples, few examples you have to do as homework. Done for today, children. Thank you.